Opposites are numbers with the same distance from 0. So again, opposites are numbers with the same distance from 0. So for example, if we're looking here at these integers, the first one is -1. The opposite of that would be 1. And if you were to check using a number line, here's 0, here's -1, here's 1. The distance from -1 to 0 is 1 space. The distance from 1 to 0 is 1 space. So they both have a distance of 1 from 0, so they are opposites. So 9, the opposite of 9 would be -9. They're both 9 spaces from 0. Absolute value is the distance from 0. So that means it's always going to be represented as a positive. It's just the distance from 0. It's always represented between these two brackets. So when you see a number in between two brackets, that means it's asking you to find the absolute value. So here we have -4. So if we were looking at a number line, and here's 0, -1, -2, -3, and -4. If I were to count the distance from -4 to 0, I'd have 1, 2, 3, 4. So the distance is 4. So the absolute value of -4 is +4. If we have the absolute value of 15, that would be 15. It's 15 spaces from 0. Then we have the negative absolute value of -2. So first I'm going to start with the absolute value of -2. The absolute value of -2 is 2. And then we have this negative here outside of the brackets. So I'm going to add that to my answer. So that would make it -2.